Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2010 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power outlets or a cigarette lighter are not working. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. Now, depending on the trim level of your Ford F-150, you might have more or less of power outlets. For sure you will have one here, and you should have one on the back side of the middle console. And then if you have higher trims, you'll have a few more power outlets all around the vehicle. All the fuses you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood. Very easy accessible, it's right here in front of the engine. To lift the cover, you will have two black tabs. You want to press onto each of them and lift up. On the back side of the cover, you will also have a small fuse diagram. So the first fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 22, which is a 20 amp fuse located right here, responsible for power to the main power outlet on the dashboard or the cigarette lighter. Now the second fuse, it's a fuse number 33. My Ford F-150 doesn't have it, it's supposed to be here. And this one applies only to Ford F-150s made from 2011 to 2014. Now this is something they added in 2011. If you have 2009 or 2010, this does not apply to you. Then we have fuses number 65 and 66. Fuse number 65 is right here, again 20 amp fuse, responsible for power to auxiliary power point power outlet. And then fuse number 66, again my Ford F-150 doesn't have it because it's not equipped with that power outlet, but this is the fuse responsible for power to the power outlet inside the center middle console. So if you have a power outlet inside the console that's not working, this is the fuse to check. And then the last fuse to check is fuse number 72, which is again 20 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to the rear power outlet located on the back of the middle console. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.